yoga instructor and yoga therapist. Today we will do some stretches for our lower body with the support of the wall. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll start our practice. You have to keep the yoga mat next to the wall, and if you want you can also use a blanket to put it under your back to support it. So let's get started putting the blanket, and now you just sit close to the wall as much as you can. Your hips touching the wall. Now with the support of your hands, keeping your thighs and your hips closer to the wall, gently you just lie down onto the wall. So legs up the wall, your hips are touching the wall, your thighs are touching the wall. Just stay here, breathe in and breathe out with few rounds of deep breathing, feeling a nice good support on the lower back and the stretch on your hamstrings and your calf muscles. Just stay here, breathing in and out. Feel the rush of blood towards your upper body, towards your intestines, your heart. Stay with it and breathe. And relax. Okay, now you can stop. Now the second practice we will be doing is by bending the knees and putting the feet onto the wall. So just bend your knees, put both your feet onto the wall, hands are next to the sides. Now from here, inhale and you gently lift your hips up, lower back and your middle back up. From here, exhale, you go down slowly. Let's do this few more times. Inhale, you lift up, feeling a nice, good stretch in your back. Exhale, you bring it down. One more last time. Inhale, you lift it up. Stay there, hold your stretch and breathe. Exhale, slowly you release and relax once again. Now the next practice we will be doing is the taking the legs to the sides, feeling the stretch on the hamstrings and the calf muscles. So let's start. We start with the right leg first. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, you bring your right leg onto the right side as much as your body allows you to do that. Now bring your right leg back to the center. Now left leg, bring it down, feeling a nice good stretch. Come back to the center. Do it two more times. Bring your leg to the right. Come back in the center with the support of the wall. Left leg to the left side. Feeling a good, nice, deep stretch. Come back in the center. And one more last round. Bring your leg down as much as you can. Hold your stretch. And you come back to the center. Now, left leg to the side. And you come back. Now the next practice we will do is opening both the legs on the sides. So, and we will stay there for few counts. So taking a deep breath in, you try to bring both your legs down as much as you can. Stay there, feeling a good stretch on your inner thighs, your calf muscles. Breathe in and breathe out here. Stay here with the support of the wall. Breathe. Stay there. Inhale and you exhale. Now from here, slowly release and you bring both your legs up. Stay here and relax. Now the next practice we will be doing is butterfly posture with the wall support. So from here you bring both your feet next to each other like the butterfly Baddha Konasana. Try to push your knees towards the wall and you stay there. Hold your stretch. Stay here. A nice good opening for your pelvic muscles, your inner thighs. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay here. And slowly relax. Okay, the last practice for today will be just fold your right knee and put your feet onto the wall, and now gently bring your left feet over to the right knee. Now you just stay here feeling a nice good stretch on your left hip muscles. Stay here, breathe in and breathe out, pushing your right feet towards the floor, towards the wall. Stay here and you just breathe. You can just relax here, bringing your hands over to your knee and to the feet. Holding it for a few seconds, breathing in and breathing out, observing your stretch and enjoy that nice, good, gentle stretch. Now slowly change. Bring your left leg over to the wall and this time you bring your right leg over to your left knee, feeling a good stretch on your right side of the hip muscles this time. Just stay here, breathe in and breathe out. The stretch in your piriformis muscle there. Stay, breathe. And you just hold your stretch. If you want a deeper stretch, you can push your right knee away from you to feel a deeper stretch. Breathe. And gently relax. Come back. And from here, you gently lie down and come up. I hope you enjoyed these practices with the wall support. So do practice them, and thank you so much for watching and practicing. For such more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.